Hi everyone, today we are going to see how to install LLM package manager. Now we are going to get help from my AI assistant. Can you please tell me how I can install and set up this model?
To install and set up the Llama2 model, use the LLM install lm-mlc command. Manually install mlci nightly and mlc chat nightly dependencies, then use lm-mlc setup. Lastly, download and install the Llama2 model using lm-mlc download model Llama2 chat, alias Llama2.
Thank you for that. So now we're going to go into step by step in detail on how to install this LLM. So the first step is that you install pip install LLM. That's the first step. Once after you do that, it gets installed. Then the next step is LLM keys set open API AI. You set the variable and enter the key there. Then after that, it's ready. Now you can query the OpenAI model. So the way you do is type LLM, then you can just double quotes 5 cute names for a pet penguin. So do that and it automatically generates the name for you. So this is directly talking to ChatGPT. So the next step we want to do is we want to install Llama2. How can I do that? So the first step is LLM install lm-mlc. So install that lm-mlc. And if you're using Mac, at that time you need to use git lfs. You need that brew install git lfs. This is the required package. Once after you install git lfs, then you can go into lm-mlc pip install pre-force install. This is a required thing if you're running M1 or M2 chip Mac. So I'll just put this commands in the description below so you can directly copy and paste it there. So this automatically installed those required packages. Once after this is installed, now you can do lm-mlc setup. This will set up whatever we have done. So once the setup is done, then we can type lm-mlc download model llama2 chat alias llama2. So as soon as you type this and click enter, yeah, I think it already exists. So that's why I get an error like this. But if it doesn't exist, it automatically downloads the required packages and model. Once the model is downloaded, then you can start asking questions like LLM-M llama2 7b chat and then 5 names for a cute pet ferret. So this is calling the locally installed LLM 7 billion parameter model. So yeah, that's simple as that. So I'm going to revise again. So it's LLM-M and then you type LLM2 7 billion chat. If you mention alias, then you can also do LLM 2. So this will still call the same model because we have done as alias. So yeah, that's as easy as that. Can you please provide a summary?
Sure, I can help answer any questions you have about the installation process.
Yeah, that concludes the list of steps how to install LLM and how can we use OpenAI model, and also how we can use a local Llama2 model as well. So yeah, thanks for watching and please do share, like and subscribe. Thank you.